Hello, aspirants. I'm Indumati Karthikeyan from NCAR IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the 12th March current affairs. The topic taken from the Delhi edition. The topic is greener electrochemical process. This topic comes under our GS3 achievement of Indians in science and technology, indigenization of technology. In this topic, we are going to discuss about what is the electrolysis of urine, nitrogen recovery, energy protection, lower environmental impact, and what are the potential application, sustainable farming, wastewater management, and also clean energy protection. These are the topics we are going to discuss by today's news. First of all, why it is in the news? There is a in the 17th century, a German alchemist named Henning Brand was a first to find the philosopher's stone, a mysterious object that could turn any ordinary metal into gold. That is, realized that golden color of urine that it believed contained tiny particle of the precious material. So, a new electrochemical process likely works the extracting valuable nutrients from the urine that primarily nitrogen, phosphorus, and also potassium, which also producing the hydrogen or other energy rich compound that can be used as a plant fuel. So we can use the greener electrochemical process and turns the urine into a plant fuel. That is a topic today. First of all, there is a procedure how it works, that is electrolysis of urine. The urine contains the urea, that nitrogen rich compound that can be broken down electrochemically, that an electric current is passed through the urine, splitting up into that is useful byproducts. The nitrogen recovery. The nitrogen recovery stage, the process releases ammonia or nitrates, that key components in fertilizer. This can be directly used as a plant nutrients. The energy predictions, that is a depending on the design, the process may generate the hydrogen gas which can be stored and used as an energy source, that makes the need that is a method doubly sustainable, recycling waste or generating the clean energy. Lower the environmental impact. The traditional nitrogen fertilizer production, that is a Haber-Bosch process, is energy intensive and releases the greenhouse gases. This method offers a greener alternative by using the new energy electrochemistry. So these are the working method and also potential application, that is a sustainable farming that provides a renewable source of fertilizer for the crops, wastewater management that reduces the pollution by recycling nutrient instead of the letting that is contaminating water resources, and also clean energy productions, that is a if hydrogen is byproduct, it can be used as a fuel for the various applications. So the world grapples the environmental challenges, innovative solution for the sustainable energy for the agriculture. And also there is a many challenges. First of all, technological implementation. The scaling up of the process is a commercial use require the further research and infrastructure investment, and public perceptions, that is social acceptance of urine derived fertilizer and energy sources may pose hurdles to uh, the steps involved, and also we require the awareness campaign and the regulatory frameworks, and also there's a very energy efficiency. Although the electrolysis is a low energy process compared to the industrial fertilizer production, that optimizing energy consumption remains a key area for the improvement. So the electrochemical transformation of the urine into a plant fuel reference a remarkable intersection, that is for the sustainability, energy innovation, and also waste management. Thank you so much.